There are internal, external, and terminal ballistics. Internal is when the cartridge fires and the projectile leaves the mouth of the casing and gets to the end of the barrel. When the projectile leaves the muzzle and goes on its way to the target, we call that external ballistics. When it reaches its destination, we call that terminal ballistics. As a shooter, one of the things we need to pay attention to is the external ballistics, or the path the projectile takes, or trajectory, and that is a function hugely influenced by what's called ballistic coefficient. Ballistic coefficient, or the trajectory or the path a projectile takes in its flight, is something that people have been paying close attention to since literally the Stone Age. The earliest recorded version of an individual paying close attention to the ballistic coefficient in history would be David taking on Goliath. How do we know that? Because David picked up 5 smooth stones. Because everything else being equal, the sling, velocity, and trajectory with a smooth stone is going to impact higher. It hit Goliath in the forehead. Had he picked up 5 kind of oddly shaped rough stones, everything else being equal, it would have impacted lower. He'd have just knocked out Goliath's teeth, and then history would be changed forever. David clearly understood ballistic coefficient and trajectory. Happy trails.